Ahoy hoy! This is an announcement video. I've just started a new music production company designed to help independent artists create the best music they can without breaking the bank. I've started it because I'm an independent artist myself and I know how difficult and wildly expensive it can be to get your music sounding competitive and just how you want it. I've been doing it for myself for years and now it's time to open my doors and do it with other people. So if this sounds like something you might need, please send us a DM or a comment or check out the website for more information. Right now, because we're new, we're doing discounted rates. Also, we're fully remote, so we can work with you anywhere in the world. Thanks for your time. Check us out on socials, check out the website, and we'll see you soon. Yeah!